Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the universe and attract everything you've ever desired? Imagine a life filled with abundance, happiness, and success, all within your reach. In this video, we're diving deep into the powerful teachings of Buddhism, showing you exactly how to speak to yourself in a way that transforms your reality. Lesson 1. I am worthy of all good things. Understanding and trusting in your own worth is the key to making all of your dreams come true. One of the main ideas in Buddhism is that everything has promise that is already there. Everyone is born with the ability to be good. This ability is not something you have to work for or earn. It is just a part of who you are. If you want to start attracting everything you want, you must first realize that you deserve good things. You are worthy of this regardless of what you've done, how much money you have, or your social standing. It's just who you are. By telling yourself that you deserve all good things, you make yourself more open to receiving them. This is because the energy we put out affects everything else. You will feel good about yourself and attract good things into your life if you put out positive energy. Buddhism says that most of the time, pain happens because we don't understand who we really are. There is nothing wrong with us or missing about us. We are whole and perfect in our core. When you realize this, you let go of the limits you put on yourself that keep you from enjoying the good things life has to give. Realizing that you don't have to change who you are to be happy, loved, and successful. Regular self-compassion and self-care will help you hold on to this idea. Be kind and respectful to yourself, just like you would a close friend. When you have negative feelings, tell yourself that you are worthy of good things. These mantras will change the way you think over time, letting you fully enjoy the good things that happen to you. Remember that your worth isn't based on anything else. It's not based on outside proof or other people's acceptance. You are valuable just because you exist. When you accept this truth, the world will start to give you everything you want, easily and in plenty. Lesson 2. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. There is no way to measure the power of hope. The things that happen to you depend on what you think about yourself. A garden is often used to describe the mind in Buddhism. Just like you have to take care of a yard to get healthy plants, you have to train your mind to get good results. You are planting the seeds of success in your mind when you think you can do anything you set your mind to. The idea that our thoughts create our lives is one of the most important ideas in Buddhism. If you think that life has limits on it, then the things that happen to you will show those limits. But if you go through life believing that you can do anything, you'll find the strength to do it. For this reason, your thoughts affect what you do, and what you do determines what happens. Focusing your mind on good, helpful things is important if you want to use this power. If you have doubts or fears, know that they are just temporary states of mind and not absolute facts. Buddhists believe that all feelings and thoughts are temporary, like clouds moving across the sky. You can focus on the good things in your life if you don't hold on to bad thoughts. Visualization helps a lot with this. Take some time every day to picture yourself reaching your goals. Imagine yourself achieving, thriving, and getting through tough times. This practice not only makes you more confident in your skills, but it also matches your mind with the reality you want to make. When you keep your mind on good things that will happen, it easily guides you to take actions that will lead to success. Buddhism also stresses how important purpose is. When you decide to do something, be sure your mind is on the task at hand. This purpose is like a bright star that keeps you on track even when things get tough. Wishing for success isn't enough. You have to work on developing the attitude and habits that will help you reach your goals. Remember that the only boundaries you have are the ones you set for yourself. If you believe that you can do anything you set your mind to, you remove those limits and let a world of endless potential into your life. Lesson 3. I am attracting abundance and prosperity. The universe is always in a state of abundance. You can feel it in the air you breathe, the water you drink, and all the chances you get in life. In Buddhism, abundance means more than just having a lot of money. It also means having good health, being happy, loving someone, and growing spiritually. You must align yourself with this natural state if you want to draw wealth and abundance. The first step is to think about having plenty. This means focusing on what you have instead of what you don't have. Mindfulness, or being fully present in the present moment, is something that Buddhism teaches is very important. Being mindful makes you aware of all the good things in your life, no matter how small they are. Being aware of this makes you feel grateful, and gratitude is a strong force for drawing more of what you want into your life. Being thankful is the key to getting more of what you want. Telling the universe that you are thankful for what you have makes it clear that you are ready to accept more. This is because being thankful changes your attitude from one of lack to one of plenty. When you are thankful, good things and chances come into your life for the better. Along with being grateful, it is important to let go of any negative ideas you have about wealth and abundance. A lot of people think, deep down, that they don't deserve to be rich or that money is the source of all evil. These ideas put up a wall that keeps wealth from coming into their lives. Buddhists learn how important it is to let go of ties, even ones that aren't good. By letting go of these ideas, you make room for the wealth that is your birthright. Being generous is another important way to bring in more money. In Buddhism, giving is a very important thing to do. Giving without expecting anything in return brings more good things into your life. Giving is an exchange of energy. When you give, you make room for people to receive. When you give more, you get more back. So have faith that the world will take care of you. The idea of interdependence is taught in Buddhism. This means that everything in the world is linked. You can let go of the need to control everything when you believe that everything is linked. This trust makes it easy for you to connect with the natural flow of wealth and success, attracting everything you want. Lesson 4. I deserve to be happy and successful. You are born with happiness and success. You don't have to work for them. Finding happiness is seen as an important part of life in Buddhism. But real happiness doesn't come from outside situations or material things. It comes from inside. Before you can attract happiness and success, you have to believe that you earn them. A lot of people have problems with feeling like they're not good enough and don't deserve to be happy or successful. Often these feelings come from bad events in the past, societal norms, or negative self-talk. Buddhism says that these feelings are just illusions or short-lived mental states that don't show who you really are. Peace, joy, and satisfaction are what you really are. First, let go of the past if you want to believe that you deserve happiness and success. Buddhism stresses how important it is to live in the present. Today is a new day, and tomorrow will be even better. When you focus on the present, you let go of the weight of mistakes or worries from the past. You also stop being stressed out by thinking about what will happen. You can fully enjoy the happiness and success that are right now open to you. Love for yourself is another important part of earning happiness and success. Being kind to yourself is not seen as selfish or egotistical in Buddhism. Instead, it is seen as necessary for spiritual growth. When you love yourself, you see how valuable you are and treat yourself with care and kindness. This love for yourself makes you feel good, which brings happiness and success into your life. You should also write down what success and happiness mean to you. People in the West often think of wealth, status, or power as signs of success. Buddhism, on the other hand, says that the only way to be truly successful is to live a life that has meaning and purpose, and is in line with your values. Take some time to think about what makes you truly happy and satisfied. Your ability to draw success will improve when you are clear on what it means to you. Think that success and happiness are not limited. It doesn't mean that there is less for you when someone else is happy or successful. There is plenty of happiness and success in the world for everyone. You can get the happiness and success you deserve when you believe this. Lesson 5. I am grateful for what I have and what is coming. Being thankful is one of the strongest things in the world. It can change your life by making you notice what you have instead of what you don't have. Buddhism sees being thankful as a way to keep your mind happy and upbeat. Being thankful for what you have makes it easier to get more of what you want. It is important to practice thanks every day if you want to attract everything you want. Start by noticing the good things in your life, no matter how small they are. This could be something as easy as a warm meal, a nice word from a friend, or the beauty of nature. It makes you feel rich and happy when you take the time to enjoy these things. Along with being thankful for what you have, you should also be thankful for what is to come. The idea of impermanence is taught in Buddhism. This means that everything is always changing. This means that there are always new chances, situations, and blessings around the corner. You can connect with the energy of wealth and be ready to receive it by being thankful for what is yet to come. Also, being grateful can change your point of view. When you think about what you're thankful for, you start to see the good things in your life. This positive attitude brings more positivity into your life, making it a cycle of plenty and happiness. When you think about what you don't have, on the other hand, you create an attitude of lack, which brings more lack into your life. Buddhism also teaches people how important it is to show thanks to others. When you thank the people around you, your relationships get stronger and you feel more connected to the community. In turn, this makes a helpful setting that helps you grow and be successful. Keep in mind that being grateful is an action as well as an emotion. Every day, make it a habit to show thanks, even if it's just by saying thank you or writing in a journal. It will become a normal part of your life the more you practice being thankful. This habit not only helps you get more of what you want, but it also makes your life more peaceful, joyful, and satisfying. Lesson 6. I trust the process of life to bring me what I desire. Having trust is a key part of getting everything you want. Trust in Buddhism is not the same as blind faith. It means knowing how life works and lining up with it. The things that happen in life happen at their own pace. When you trust this process, you let go of the need to be in charge of every result and let life's endless possibilities take over. To build trust, it's important to understand that the world is good by nature. There is a reason for everything that happens, and every event is a chance to learn and grow. Problems and failures are part of the process and help you reach your end goals. If you believe that life is always on your side, you can take it easy and enjoy the ride, knowing that everything is going to plan. Buddhists teach the idea of non-attachment, which means giving up the need to control what happens. You cause tension and resistance when you are attached to a certain outcome. This resistance gets in the way of life's natural flow and keeps you from getting what you want. Allowing yourself to let go of attachment makes room for the world to bring you what is best for you, even if it's not what you had planned. Patience is another important part of trust. It's easy to get anxious when things don't happen right away in our fast-paced world. Buddhism, on the other hand, says that everything takes its own time. Like how it takes time for a seed to grow into a tree, it takes time for your dreams to come true. Have faith that the world is working behind the scenes to bring you what you want, and wait for it to happen. Mindfulness and meditation can help you trust others more. These habits keep you in the present and grounded, which lets you connect with life's natural flow. Being aware makes you more sensitive to the small signs and coincidences that lead you to what you want. Being aware of this makes you trust the process even more and strengthens your faith that everything is working out for the best. So have faith in yourself. You are a great creator who can make your dreams come true. Believe in your skills, your gut, and your own inner knowledge. It's easy to get what you want when you trust yourself and connect with the energy of the world. Lesson 7. I am enough just as I am. The most important thing you can do to get what you want is to believe that you are enough just the way you are. One way to reach happiness in Buddhism is to accept yourself as you are. It means realizing that you are whole and complete on your own, and that nothing else can make you more or less valuable. Lots of people feel like they need to be or do more to be worthy of love, success, or happiness. This makes their whole life miserable. These feelings of not being good enough lead to a sense of lack, which then brings more lack into the life. You move from a state of lack to one of wealth when you believe that you are enough just the way you are. Accepting yourself does not mean giving up or being lazy. The good, the bad, and the broken parts of yourself must all be recognized and accepted. Buddhism says that everything has the Buddha nature, which is a state of being naturally pure and perfect. You know you are enough just the way you are when you recognize your Buddha nature. Self-compassion can help you learn to accept yourself. Be kind and patient with yourself the way you would with a close friend. Let yourself off the hook when you mess up and learn from it. If you feel like you're not good enough, tell yourself that you are a work in progress and that life is full of growth. Letting go of similarities is another important part of accepting yourself. It is easy to feel like we're not good enough when we look at other people and compare ourselves to them. Buddhism, on the other hand, says that everyone is on their own road. Your journey is unique and wonderful just the way it is. Stopping to compare yourself to others will free you from feelings of not being good enough and let your real self shine through. Finally, tell yourself every day that you are enough. Be sure when you say these words that you believe them. The more you tell yourself that you are valuable, the more you believe it. You easily and gracefully draw everything you want when you truly believe that you are enough just the way you are.